Hey, hi, welcome back, folks. Let's continue to do the exercises. So, next we have this particular question, service filter. So, yeah, so this falls under persistent volume. Okay, interesting. What exactly is this set? Let's first set the context. So, what is this? Oh, it's empty. Okay, so this might involve JSON path. We need the target port. So, yeah, so we need something like this. Let me just open a new tab. So if you know, there is a technique where we can use JQ. I hope they have JQ here. Oh great, they have JQ. So let's first figure out the path. And what exactly was that? Target IP, right? So this is the path. So now this, what we can do is, oh, we need for the service ready service. So which one is this? It is the, so we have only, yeah, we have anyway one port it only. We don't have multiple ports. Or do we have multiple ports? Service, oh, we do have multiple ports, and it seems like it's the second item in the list. Okay, let's try it. So we have to do JSON path. So k get svc dash o JSON path, and as you can see here, it's the items, and since we want this is the second one, so maybe we'll try the first. And since items is the array, right, so we'll do like that. Ports dot, I hope this works. Oh, it didn't work. Let's try one by one. Okay, this is working. Spec dot ports. Okay, even this is working. This is 6375, right? So now we need the target port. So this seems like an array. I think we should do JQ. Okay, what exactly we need the target port, and this looks like an array. So maybe star, or maybe target port, right? Target port. Figure it out. We need this and this is an array. So JSON path is a bit frustrating. JSON path. For example, we need is there an example to extract the array? Or maybe, yeah, dot items. Maybe like this. Okay. Great, it worked. So we had to use this in the previous object. All right, so let's proceed. So I hope this 6379 is the port for Redis 6379, and so this is the port for this is separate. So what we have done is correct. So we just have to copy this and paste it to our SVC filter. I hope it works. SVC, what is it? Unterminated. Oh, is there an option to go to the last line? GG. Not sure. Saying to use $. Perfect. By the way, how to go to the first line? Okay. All right. So to go to the first, we have to use perfect. So once we reach here, we just put on this. Again, let's execute it. K not O. We might have to use kubectl. Kubectl. Perfect. What? How does this show incorrect? I really can't believe this. The terminal seems to be stuck. This should work. See, as you can see here, is it because of the new line or some issue? I'm not quite sure. Maybe let's try the new line. We use comma. Okay, probably this new tab. I'm not sure why this is not working. Oh, the terminal is stuck now. It's crazy. What if let's do with JQ? But how do we new line? This should work, right? Okay, something has happened. I would say this kind of worked. Let's try this. So if you want to delete the entire line, you have to press DD in Vim. So dollar to go to the end. I don't like Vim. I'll be frank, I don't like Vim. Perfect, it should work. What? I'm not sure why this is not working. So K get SVC We have two services and we need the port for 6379. It's target port, so we are using to output the target port. I'm not sure what we are missing here. Using JSON path only. Yeah, this is only JSON path. I feel like the question is, there is something wrong with the question, because we are doing correct, or is it like it needs in this format? Sorry, 63, what is this? This is different. This is for this service, which is name Kubernetes, but we need for this Redis service target port is 6379, and we are indeed getting 6379 here. So what's wrong? Or is it like they want I'm not sure what we are doing wrong here. Really, I am not having any idea. This should be right. Should I check other answers? Not sure. This should be right. I'm not sure what we have done wrong. KillerCoda answers. Okay, let's try to check out the answer. KillerCoda CKA answers. I am not able to search on GitHub. I don't want to watch a video though. What exactly are you doing wrong? 6379, and it's just 2 marks, so I think we might have to watch video to figure it out. Okay, let's follow this guy. What is our question number though? I'm not sure what is the question number. One, two, three, four, five, six, 7, maybe 8. What is the question name? Architecture. Oh, okay, this guy seems to have solved some questions, but this is not the complete list though. How many videos does this have? But this should be, we just have 34 minutes, but this should be working, right? Crazy. This is a wastage of time. Okay. Okay, perfect. So we have a solution here. Okay, what is the solution? Bro, what we did is perfect. See, this is also giving 6379. And I also did the same. Yeah, 6379. Let's try one thing. Let's close the lab. Traffic ports, not sure what is it. Let's close and restart the exam. How about that? Okay, I hope that has been closed, and let's try to reactivate source filter. I'd like to redo it. Start. All right. What's happening? Let me just copy this. Perfect. And let me open up the new tab, switch the context, VI whatever it is. Let me go to the last. What happened? Okay, shift dollar and paste. What happened? I'm not sure why it didn't work. It's had to be a bit fast. Okay, SH6379. See, there was some bug it seems. Now this working. Crazy. Alright, we have less time. Okay, both of these might take more time, so let's do an easy one, or else let's not break the flow. So let's continue with that. So now we have this particular question regarding cluster roles, all that stuff. Let me keep it open, keep the answers open, so that we might get some help later on. Start. Let's switch the context. Let's open the new tab. Again, switch the context. I am trying to force quit because of my Mac settings. Okay, I think I have to reset some of my keyboard settings. Give me a while. Keyboard. How do I delete it? Okay. Oh, minus, minus, minus. Control T to open the tab. Okay. I hope this works. Control T. Perfect. Now we are all set. Okay guys, let me just quickly go the RBAC authorization. So create a service account name, app account, a role name, role binding name. So we might need this service account. This looks straightforward. All right. A role named and a role binding. So there are two RBAC options in K8, which is one is a normal role and another is a cluster role. So cluster role is which is for the entire cluster. So right now we just need a normal role here. So let me just search for cluster role. No, not cluster role. I have to search for role binding and the top is role. I hope, yeah, this works. Let's copy this. What happened? Perfect. So we just need for the pods. Okay, only in the default namespace. So to get the pods, and the name is app role CKA. Default, I guess we don't have to mention default because that would be done by default. Is there a mention of service account here? I guess service account would be mentioned in the role binding, where we'll bind it to the service account. So for now this is fine. Great. Only in the default namespace. I'm a bit confused here. Oh yeah, so we should not be worried. App role CK. Okay, this is created. Next is role binding, service account. Let's try to copy this. Let me paste this. Service account name, app account, namespace is default. We don't need name, group, username, role. We need role, which is app role CKA. We need cluster name, cluster role. What is the name for the cluster role? Oh, we made a mistake. Cluster role is not cluster role. Oh, cluster role. Do I need a cluster role here? I need role. I don't need a cluster role here. Yeah, that's what. Because this is not role binding, app role binding, CK, service account. Let's dry run this. Okay, app account. I think this should work. Oh, what happened? Hey, what happened? I tried to copy it and where did it disappear? What? It got created. Okay, that's strange. K get role binding. Let's check it. I hope it works. What? Service account. Okay. Oh, what happened here? The name of the service account is wrong. What did we do? App. Oh, shit. We might have to delete. This is what happens when we do things in a hurry. App. Service account default. This should work. Perfect. It worked. Now let us go to the next question. This might be the last question which we do in this live stream. I'm trying to create short live streams instead of lengthy ones. Let's first switch the context, because this is also switching of context is also necessary when we do the exam. So yeah. We have to update the permissions for the group so that it can. So what exactly is the current role capability? Okay, get cluster role. This is not enough. It can just get, so we have to modify this, right? So to modify it, modify is there an option to imperatively modify cluster role? Not sure. Probably K-edit. Let's try it out anyway. K-edit cluster role. What is the name of the cluster role? It's group. I hope this works. Okay, there's an option. What we have to do, and ensure you use space. So get create and list. I hope this works. Okay, success, it worked. All right guys, it's 6:39. What else do we have? Let's try to do the last, probably the last one for this live stream, and then we'll stop live stream. I know no one is watching. Do we have any concurrent viewers? If you're watching this, just say hi. Let's again switch the context first. Oh, this is easy. Find the pod that consumes the most. So as you can see, this is the high CPU, core consume the most CPU. So is it the memory which they mean or the CPU core? I am assuming this is the CPU core, and we can kind of sort by CPU. Yeah, 27, is it 27? Cube API server. What? Memory sort. Sort by only accept only CPU or memory. So let's try to sort by the CPU. Pod name namespace. Oh, we just need to find the one pod. So this is this and namespace. Pod name minus. All right. Pod name namespace. These questions are all very less mark questions, so you have to do it all this very fast. Yeah, that worked. Should we complete the block or should we not do? I think it's better we end the stream because both these are kind of related, so it's better we do it in the third live stream. I have already covered this. Okay guys, I'll see you in the next live stream. Thank you for tuning in.